morning, everybody. Oh man, I am so tired. So freaking tired, man. But gotta go to work. I don't even know what this is. You know, for as much as they talk about these goggles, they suck. They literally fog up. No matter what you do. They literally fog up, dude. It also doesn't help that I'm sick. I can't breathe out of my nose right now. Alright. I really wanted to ride the bike, even though it's wet. I'll just have to take it slow. It'll be easy. Because I really don't want to go another day without riding. It sucks. I've been off of this thing for a couple of days. Yeah, so today we have inspection at the job site, so we'll see how well that works out. We'll see. Oh, I need to clean the front brakes out, dude. Slept like garbage yesterday, so there is that. I'm gonna find a good uploading schedule for the YouTube channel, actually, so I just gotta figure out what I want. I want at least 2 days a week. I'll just have to pick the days. Oh, I'm still in second gear. Neutral. Motherfucker. I really don't want to be stuck behind any cars, so I'm going to wait here a second. Getting a little bit sick of the rain every day. Especially in this thing, because like I said in the previous video, which if you haven't watched that already, there'll be a time card up in the corner. This thing does horrible in the rain. I actually need to switch out the tires. Since I'm on knobby tires driving on the street, there's no displacement for water, and off-road, it's kind of horrible. Just because the tires cake up so bad. They cake up really bad, and then you can't get any traction. And of course, once you don't get traction, you rooster tail really bad. So at some point I need to actually switch them out, which I haven't gotten around to it. You know, surprisingly, it's actually not that cold this morning. The last couple of times that I've actually tried to ride in the morning, it's been super duper cold. Probably in the 40s. And man, oh man, I am not used to riding in the cold. I need need to get like an actual windbreaker jacket. These freaking goggles fog up so bad in the mist. I literally can't see anything right now. It's kind of horrible. And it doesn't help whenever you have people with their high beams on. Ooh, the rear. Holy crap. She started sliding. I can't see nothing. I can't see a fucking thing. Oh, come on. Got my breakfast. Okay. Alright. Yes, let's just stop right in the middle. Like a fucking idiot. Dude, it is so foggy. I can't see. I literally cannot see. See nothing. Oh my god. I literally cannot see nothing. This is a bad idea. This is horrible. All these people with their new vehicles having the stupid fucking high beam headlights is horrible. Dude, I literally cannot see anything. This sucks. This literally just sucks. I can't see nothing out of my goggles. No, what the hell? My gloves are soaking wet, dude. From this morning. Damn it. It's so unfortunate. inspection actually went good today. We passed it, which is nice. Yeah, it's really nice that we actually passed the inspection. That's one less thing to worry about. We're actually getting really close to wrapping up the job. Which is, I got my blinker on still. Nice. I always do that. I always forget about the damn blinker. Ooh, shit. A little too fast. A little too fast. Ow! Something just hit me. I hate these tires so much. Oh, it's so windy today. Ah! Oh, my balls. Whenever I do the handlebars, I'm actually going to change the clutch and brake position. So that way I could have more easier time grabbing them while I'm standing up on the pegs. Because right now it's not good, to say the least. It's really hard to grab. Dude, it is so windy out today. Holy crap. I really hope I do not hit a storm. The radar said no rain today, but I don't know. I feel like it's lying. It's looked like it's gonna rain like any second today. Now I don't know how much this camera is gonna record of this ride home because it's at 30%, so I forgot to change the battery out. One thing I might do is take off the protective case that's on it because you can't quick change out the batteries. Now that might change because I'm debating on getting a wireless microphone for this. Hardwired is cool and all, but I'd really like to just be able to pop the microphones in and out while I'm recording. Dude, a fat bug just hit my lens. That's ow! Ow! What the fuck is that? Ow, that hurts so bad. What the fuck is that? What did I just... I don't even know. All I know is it hurt really bad. Actually, the other day home, I rode the bike and a wasp hit my helmet and landed in my shirt and like stung me 3 times back to back. So that was a very pleasant experience. I love that for me. Dude, it looks like it's about to start raining. It looks like it's about to start raining, dude. I think it is sprinkling, actually. Which is no bueno. These tires do not do very good in damn rain weather. I hit neutral. Oh, that's cool. Hell yeah. Dude, that rain cloud looks so bad. Please don't soak me. I'm begging. I need to get fuel. I am not doing that today, though. That seems like a problem for in the morning. Damn it, fucking neutral. Really don't wanna get wet. I really don't wanna get wet. Oh shit. I don't want to get wet. I don't want to get wet. That was a state trooper. Please don't turn around, dude. I made a boo-boo, and oh shit, I hope he doesn't turn around. I'm in neutral, bro. Bro! What the fuck? That was embarrassing. Please. I'm begging. I'm begging. I hate the engine braking on this thing. It's like way too much. I was gonna go somewhere after work today, but I really don't feel like riding. I just really do not feel like riding today. I've been extremely sick, as you can probably hear, for the last couple of days. I really just want to go and take a shower and lay down. It was nice to be able to get out the bike today, but it looks like it rained here. Alright, the camera battery died, but it was the perfect timing. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. I'm not going to ride out anywhere else today. I am absolutely dog tired. I'm ready to go in here, take some medicine, and lay down. Work has destroyed me. So, thank you guys once again. Baby boy. Oh, stretch.